everyone. So I am making this Trader Joe's Sharma chicken thighs. So my oven is heated up, it's preheated. So I'll just put, I love the stream. And now I'll put, so I have kept the chicken aside with some oil. I know it's a little bit more oil than usual. Sorry about that, but yeah, it's okay, it's fine. Yeah, and I like the marination and the smell. And I put some veggies just on the side. Yeah, that's for dinner. And it's going in. Should get my gloves. So it does says that it should go in for about 20 minutes here. So let's put some cook time out. Yeah. And it's good to start. Right? So it's on. It's on. So we'll be waiting for this. Hi. So we are done with the oven, and also I have just fried it a little bit because I really like the golden color. So yeah, it's a little bit deep fried now. As you can see, it looks perfect, like perfect, right? So I'll just let it simmer for some more time and then take it off by removing just few of the oil on the plate. Yeah, and with the veggies, see how veggies looks like fried, like they're totally fried. Can you see? It's properly fried. Love it. Let's taste this soon. Hi, so welcome back. So this is my dinner plate. So this is some okra. I have made it before. I made some ragi dosa. This is the chicken. This is the end product. As you can see, it looks really good. Okay, so yeah, the chicken looks really good. If you can see it proper from all angle. Some gravy and the veggies